Hi, I'm Laura and I work at Beach Family Cosmetic Dental in Huntington Beach, California, and I do dental hygiene. I've been with the office for 15 years and am happy to say that we have a lot of great patients here at our office and a lot of patients that have been faithful patients with us for over the years. What you might expect when you come to our office in the hygiene department is you would normally get x-rays if needed and have a complete exam. Also, we evaluate your oral health and go from there. Some patients are a little bit more involved and need a little bit more than just the regular, what we call prophy cleaning, and so they then would have to come back for a few visits. But we walk them through each visit, we make all the patients comfortable. We explain as we go, and the patients here seem to be very happy with our hygiene program and continue to come back and see us and have been over the years. Thank you for watching.